guys, welcome back to another in-air gaming video, and today I'm in Brookhaven, and as you can see by the pumpkins, it's almost Halloween. Happy Halloween! So let's start the video. Nice morning. I feel so refreshed. Last night I had a late night. What should I have today? I keep on hitting myself in the face with the fridge. I am going to do that. Nice waffle. That'd be nice. I need to heat up in the microwave. So just put that. Put that in there. And let's heat it. Is it raining? Oh no, that's my microwave. Ding! It must be ready. Oh, ow, oh, eat, ow. That's all. Okay, I don't really care. Oh, Survivor's on. I think I left it on last night. Let's just sit down. That's so nice. Oh, my friend's messaged me. She said, go to Rockstars, there's some nice clothes. Oh, might as well go there then. Nice. I kind of like Rockstars. It's kind of good, but it's a bit expensive. So I'll just have to get some money out of safe. Are you looking at my password? Okay, let's just hide it. Okay, that's good. Close it. Some money, money, money. Yeah! Oh, let me just go back and pick that up. Okay. Let's just get dressed in some clothes what I don't like. Because Rockstar take your clothes. Okay, let's just... Where's my wardrobe? Don't say I lost my wardrobe, please. I love my clothes in there. Oh, they're there. In my drawer. Are they? Let me just check. Oh yeah, they are. Okay. So let's just get chin. Okay, these are kind of the clothes I don't really like, but yeah, I'm upset to take your clothes and find it. Now I need my brush. Yep. Okay, now I'm just gonna need to style my hair. This is nice hair. Okay. Now let's just go to Rockstars. I'm super excited. Some friends didn't lie to me. Anyways, when I come back, I'm gonna have a nice relaxation, get my pajamas on and stuff. Or I might have a bath. I never know. Okay, let's get my car out. Okay, let's go. Why is he crashing into me? I do not know. So let's just go. I'm not a very good driver. Is it there? Is she in there? No, she's not. Thought we was gonna go there and get matching outfits. Never mind. Okay. So do I just like give money and then just choose which outfit I like? I'm very sad because they take outfits. It did. There's some nice new ones. I'm gonna search on my phone. How did they do this? Because it's so cool. So Rockstar basically got this machine what can change our clothes. Oh my god. So cool. I've got to look how much it is. £100 million. Okay, I cannot buy that. No, I don't want it to be sad. I want it to be happy. Okay, why is it just giving me the Wednesday vibes right now? See? It's giving me black clothes. I don't want black clothes. This is nice. Yeah, I'm gonna wear that. Oh my gosh, it got my style. Okay, keys. Found him. I know I'm not my car. I need to run that quick. Whew. I got in my car. Well, now I don't know where I'm gonna go, but no one's working anywhere. I don't know why. So that means free, right? Yeah, I'm gonna go get some ice cream. Oh. This park here, you know. Okay, no one's at my car because I'm gonna. Okay, there. Now, should I get ice cream or arcade? I think I'm gonna go in the arcade first. Woohoo! So fun. I'm gonna. Why is this arcade game not working? I don't know. That one's out of order. I'll just play this game. Seems pretty cool. You know what? Why it's silent in here? So I'm gonna hate silence.
I've ordered that now.
Yeah. Oof, I stubbed my toe. Mint chip, bubblegum, birthday cake, vanilla, or chocolate. I think I'll choose chocolate. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, look at the time. I better be heading home. Yeah, my car, quick. Beep, beep. Oh, I don't know what the sound was. Let's go. I'm not. I think I'm on the wrong side of town. Am I? I don't know. I hate when I don't know where I am. Yes, I am. Lucky. I know where I'm going. How? Thank you, Ron. That's not nice. Why did someone mob me? Oh. How did they figure out my code? Well, I'm home now. You! I hate you so much. Please stop showing up. Just don't mind me again, please. That's your final one. I'm calling. Let me in. Why do people do that? I don't know, but now I'm just gonna go take a nice. Wait, I need to wash up soon, so let's just put the sink on. Why won't the sink go on? Okay, now. Save that one. I need a nice shower, and then I'm gonna go downstairs, watch some movies, and wash up, and then go to bed. That sounds nice. Just get a nice wash suit. This feels so relaxing. That's nice. Let's get into my pajamas. My pajama drawer. That's much better. I'm gonna watch a movie first. Save the worst to last. Survivor is such a good movie. So good. And it's gonna happen in the next series. Oh my gosh, my house, what's happened? The sink! I left the sink on, oh no! Oh my gosh, and the pool and everything. Oh, turn the sink off. How am I supposed to get rid of all this water? This was such a bad idea. I knew I should have to wash up first. What am I supposed to do? I know I'm gonna slip. What am I gonna do? What am I supposed to do now? It's all my fault. Oh no, I'm gonna slip. Why is this so bad? I hate when it's so bad. Ah! Ow! Ow! What am I supposed to do? Get up! Ow! You know what? I'm gonna find a bucket. I can't give up now. I'm making my house all wet. Gonna sit on the carpet. Even the toilet's flooded. Oh, I need to find a bucket and put one somewhere around here. I got one. Now let's start with the toilet. Okay, I'll come to you later because I picked half of that up. What I'm gonna have to do now? Okay, I got a bucket because that one got really full. I can't remember, did I have one? I don't know. I'm gonna slip to hit my head. Okay, I picked all the water up. That's better. That was a really long day. Oh my gosh, it's 3 in the morning. I better go to bed. Hopefully that happens never again. Now let's